I guess here most of them get answer 224 for this problem. Wrong order. Here 5 plus 3 square is 9 times. Here 8 minus 4 in bracket whole power 2. Here 5 plus 9 is 14 times 8 minus 4 in bracket whole power 2. Here 14 times 8 minus 4 is 4 to the power of 2. Here 14 times 4 square is 16. Here 14 times 16 is this 224 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operations PEMDAS, this 224 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation to solve this problem in correct order. Here this is a bracket higher priority. This is a exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, A stands for subtraction. Here multiplication, division both are equal priority. Also this addition, subtraction both are equal priority. For this equal priority we are going to introduce this left to right rule in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct order by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here as per this order of operations PEMDAS, the bracket is higher priority, so we have to do this bracket before this operation. Here 5 plus 3 square times here 8 minus 4 is 4 to the power of 2. Next priority is exponent, so we have to do this exponent before this addition and multiplication. Here 5 plus here 3 square is 9 times 4 square is 16. Here we have addition and multiplication. Here multiplication is higher priority than this addition, so we have to do this multiplication before this addition. Here 5 plus 9 times 16 is here 144. Here 5 plus 144 is 149 is the correct answer.